Hello, Blender enthusiasts. Welcome to an exciting adventure into the world of awesome Blender tools. Today, I have an exciting lineup of great new Blender add-ons that are sure to enhance your workflow as a 3D artist. Let's kick things off with BQR, Boolean Quad Ready. This add-on is tailored to simplify how 3D artists prepare models for Boolean operations by automatically generating clean, quad-based topology, all with one click. BQR builds a non-destructive modifier stack, optimized for precision Booleans, clean shading, and UV setups. It includes 4 unique steps that help clean up and remesh geometry, giving you complete control over how the mesh is handled. Whether your mesh is tidy or messy, BQR has your back. From remeshing to Boolean operations, this add-on is a total game-changer for hard surface and card modelers in Blender. Now, if you're curious about previous works of Artemis 3D, you might want to check out BlendShot. This impressive tool features over 600 procedural materials, patterns, imperfections, a wrinkle generator, real-time node-based compositing, and lots more. It's a fantastic asset for procedural workflow lovers. Next, we have Mega Assets add-on by Russell Studios. Mega Assets is a feature-rich, beautifully designed Blender add-on that lets you browse, download, and apply over 5,000 plus free CC0 assets, including PBR materials and HDRIs, directly inside Blender. What truly sets Mega Assets apart is its ability to automatically build advanced, highly accurate PBR material and HDRI lighting setups. These setups are production-ready, fully customizable, and designed to elevate your scenes instantly. No technical setup required. I recommend you visit the add-on page for more information. Further, we have Time Master add-on by Lazy3D. He is known for his amazing, time-saving Blender add-ons. Time Master is a powerful, yet simple tool designed to give you full control over time in your Blender projects. Whether you're crafting cinematic slow-motion shots or fast-forward sequences, Time Master makes it fast, intuitive, and artist-friendly. And make sure to take a look at Lazy3D's other Blender tools and add-ons. He also made a bundle containing all tools at a great discount, which is also linked in the description below. Next, we have Resample Mesh add-on. This is a standout Blender add-on that offers unique geometry reshaping through intelligent interpolation for smoothing transitions or reducing polygon count alongside tools for mesh optimization, edge loop connection, and smoothing. Its innovative workflow combines precision and efficiency, setting it apart from traditional tools. Up next, we got Bone and Weight Splitter. It is a powerful Blender add-on that simplifies and accelerates your rigging and weight painting workflow. Easily split bones into multiple segments, automatically redistributing and smoothly blending vertex weights, eliminating tedious manual adjustments. And it does a lot more. Next, we have Sanctus Woodworks. It is a collection of more than 130 procedural wood materials and 27 geometry nodes generators. The perfect companion for all your wood creations. Smart wood materials that adapts to the objects you apply it on. Powerful wood geometry nodes asset generator to quickly create and customize assets. Next up, we have Flaxflow. Flaxflow introduces a brand new tracking system to Blender with optical trackers. It is significantly faster and far more stable. When using these optical trackers, nearly all of them successfully complete tracking each time. In comparison, Blender's native tracking system often fails along the way, as shown in the video. It's a toolkit which also brings many extra features to Blender's motion tracking panel, as well as the 3D viewport. The add-on includes one-click geometry tools, a filtering system, a 3D point generator, an upgraded solver, new tracking alternatives, and much more. It also simplifies scene setup by generating meshes for floors, walls, and objects based on tracking data, making it effortless to place assets in your scene. Polygonic has just released Traffiq version 2.3, and this update brings some awesome upgrades. Version 2.3 now includes detailed car interiors and doors, and the best part? They're fully animatable, so you can easily bring those interiors and doors to life however you like. If you've been wanting to create high-quality shots where you can animate realistic door movements, or even create authentic interior animations, this is a great time to jump in. The assets look fantastic and are super flexible for animation work. I'll drop a link in the description for anyone who wants to check it out, along with some other cool stuff you might like. Meanwhile, Zen Uv V5.0 just dropped, bringing loads of features like the Zen Gizmo for island transforms, Zen Relax, ideal for organic UVs, island stacking, trim sheets, and more. It's easily one of the best UV toolsets for Blender today. Next, we have Pure Sky Pro version 7 update. This major update brings incredible new features and significant improvements to enhance your procedural skies in Blender. Ranging from subtle atmospheres to detailed volumetric clouds and a hyper-realistic moon, Pure Sky Pro is unique in allowing its volumetric clouds to cast shadows in EV Next, making it easy to generate hyper-realistic God rays within your clouds. Pure Sky Pro is fully compatible with the EV Next and Cycles rendering engines, guaranteeing magnificent results regardless of your workflow, and comes with a lot of sky and cloud presets to begin with. Next up, iCity has been updated to version 1.3, and it's a complete rewrite of iCity to improve speed, efficiency, and future compatibility. Most of the assets were recreated with higher visual quality while being twice as lightweight as previous versions. Export your iCity scenes in GLTF format with full support for geometry nodes instances, perfect for use in Unreal Engine, Unity, and other external tools. All in all, a cleaner, more responsive UI, up to 1,200% speed increase, and a lot more. Next, we have Fast Render, made available by Bad Normals. With Fast Render, you can render 4x faster, because standard rendering requires rendering every single frame. With Fast Render, Blender renders every second or fourth frame, and the missing frames are generated from the existing ones in less than a second per frame, saving time massively. Basically, it's like NVIDIA's Frame Gen, but for Blender. And there is more stuff you can do with it. Like, you can also use frame generation on already existing frames to increase the frame rate. Supports GPU and CPU, but AMD GPUs are not supported. And make sure to check out his other amazing add-ons, AnyTree and Fractal Machine. Creating beautiful, stylized clouds in Blender often requires a combination of time and complex technical skills. But not anymore, as Rai has made Stylized Cloud Generator for all of you. Designed mainly with NPR/stylized renders in mind, this tool lets you craft stunning skies effortlessly. It simplifies the process from idea to render, allowing you to bring a variety of artistic styles, such as anime, painterly, semi-realistic, to life faster than ever. If you are like me, who have a lot of add-ons installed, then the End Panel Manager helps organize the end panel, which can quickly become cluttered, especially if you've installed many add-ons. This tool lets you create custom tabs, assign add-ons to them, and collapse or hide sections you don't use frequently. After installation, you can start creating tabs right away, naming them based on your workflow, e.g., grouping modeling tools under one tab and rendering tools under another. This makes it faster to locate the tools you need without scrolling through a long list. You can also exclude certain add-ons from being managed if you rarely use them but don't want to uninstall them. Additionally, the add-on includes update management, allowing you to check for and download the latest versions of your add-ons directly from the panel. For anyone working on diverse projects or frequently switching between workflows, the End Panel Manager is a great way to customize and optimize Blender's interface. Let's talk UVs. Xyz Mapper by Node Interactive introduces a powerful procedural UV mapping tool. It includes a handy gizmo for precise control and offers 5 mapping methods: planar, box, cylindrical, cylindrical cap, and spherical. It's intuitive and runs directly in the viewport. Definitely worth exploring if UVs are not your favorite part of the pipeline. The Organic add-on by 3D Dude allows you to create abstract, dynamic organic shapes easily. It includes gel-like materials, pattern presets, and procedural drawing capabilities. This system gives you full control over shape, density, collisions, and detail. No tedious modeling required. Just turn it on, tweak the settings, and watch your scene come to life. Next, we have True Dark Themes Pack. So if you get tired with Blender's default dark theme, then you should take a look at this, as it is designed to be easy on your eyes so you can use Blender for a lot longer. Next up is the Hair Painter by Neno. This intuitive tool lets you draw and simulate hair directly onto objects. It works with collections, allows for facial hair, and can even generate intricate braids in a single stroke. Super customizable, and it comes with 25 different nodes for all kinds of hairstyles. Further, we have Smudge Pencil. Smudge Pencil is a grease pencil object with a geometry node setup. This setup generates mesh lines based on the grease pencil strokes and applies a refraction shader. The shader smudges the objects behind the lines, influenced by the size and strength of the grease pencil strokes. It's not an automatic motion blur. Instead, the smear frames must be created manually by the user, frame by frame. While this process might seem tedious, it delivers a handcrafted quality that I personally strive for. And there you have it. You can also check some of my previous video. Don't miss out on these amazing add-ons and assets, and start creating stunning 3D environments today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome content. Thanks for watching.